Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Sarah Sanderson makeup. I don't know why that was so hard for me to say, Undress to Impress. For the eyes, I use this one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the right. This one in this color 959582. For the brows, I use this one here. It's like next to these eyebrows, like underneath the like sad ones, in 5D4B3D. For the mouth, I just used this one here in 945B8C. For the contour, I just used this one right here in the middle. Didn't change the color at all. Then for the makeup, well, let's start with the nose first. I used these two here. Then I used this eyeshadow in black. And then I used this eyeshadow in black. And this one in black as well. Then I went to skin and I chose this for the freckle. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.